advert that I saw, I believe on Facebook.
Yeah.
Just by chance that I saw it on there.
And what was your reason for coming in initially?
So I'd had headaches for quite a long time, building up over a few years actually, and it got to the point where it was probably 3 or 4 days out of my week that were just a complete write-off, if you like. And I've got a 3-year-old daughter, and it was sort of affecting what I wanted to do with her, and I didn't realise until I had the adjustments that sort of it had actually made me sort of quite low mood and just, a bit sort of unmotivated, if you like. And I think I was reading a book by chance and it said something about chiropractor, and I was like, maybe that could be something, and then went from there.
And when you first came in, what was your kind of initial experience?
Yeah, I was probably a bit nervous, just like didn't know what to expect and things, but Terry was like really good at explaining everything and put me at ease with everything.
So what's your experience now? Do you, in terms of your symptoms, how do you feel?
It has really changed my life because it was every day it was just affected. I didn't realise how lethargic I was feeling, which they're not things that I necessarily came here for, but they're things that improved, and it was like, oh okay, that's connected to that and everything like that. So just my general well-being, everything. I mean, I was taking paracetamol 2-3 times a day in the end, which obviously I don't now, don't get the headaches.
Good. And what's your experience of treatment been? Has it been comfortable?
Yes, I was nervous if there was going to be any pain or anything like that, because obviously the noises, you sort of think, is that going to be, but no, it's been really easy.
Would you recommend chiropractic to other people?
Yeah, I have actually. I was sort of both my parents, I'm like, you need to go, and definitely recommend.